When your thighs get thinner and the muscles start shrinking, walking alone will not bring them back. In fact, the more you walk, the faster the muscle loss and weakness can become. If you want to rebuild strength and improve stability in your legs, you must do the resistance-based training I'm about to show you. I'm nearly 50 years old and I've been in the fitness industry for more than 10 years. I was once a professional athlete and have coached countless students. When it comes to skeletal muscle training, resistance training is the one and only method that truly works. Only resistance can create the right amount of micro damage in your muscle fibers. And when those fibers repair and rebuild, your muscles grow stronger and bigger. That's how your leg strength returns. The best example is Mr. Wang Deshan. Look at the way he walks on stage. Powerful, steady, full of confidence. Why can he walk like that even at an advanced age? Because his legs are strong. When your leg muscles are strong, even at 70 or 80, you can still move freely and walk anywhere you want. That is the true foundation of aging well. So how do we rebuild this strength? Today, whether you tap the little like button or not, I'll share all of my experience with you. At home, you only need a simple resistance loop band like this. It has sections labeled 1 through 8. When you begin, you grab the longest section. As you get stronger, you slowly adjust to a shorter one. The shorter the length, the greater the resistance. This way you can literally watch your strength improve day by day. This resistance band is made of a knitted, high-elastic double-layer material, so it feels safe, firm, and comfortable to use. It's small, lightweight, and easy to carry. Whenever you go for a walk in the park or sit on a bench outside, you can simply roll it up, put it in your bag, and start training anywhere. If it gets dirty, just wash it and it won't affect the quality at all. If you're at home or in a park with a stable bench, you can begin your training immediately. Sit on the edge of the bench. For the first exercise, hold the longest loop on the band. As your strength improves, you can gradually shift to a shorter loop. Shorter loops mean stronger resistance. If the longest loop feels too easy, you can adjust to loop number 2 or number 7 depending on your ability. For exercise 1, place the band around the top of your foot or around the arch of your foot. Pull the band tight, lean your body slightly back, tighten your core, bend your knee, and extend your leg forward. Avoid kicking with momentum. Instead, activate your muscles with intention. Imagine squeezing a sponge completely dry. Feel the contraction through your thigh, your glutes, and your core as you push forward. When you extend your leg, push through your heel. This engages the muscles around your knee and improves stability. Then return with control and repeat the extension. This single movement activates the entire leg chain, your thigh muscles, your glutes, your hips stabilizers, your calves, and even your abdominal muscles. Perform 16 to 20 repetitions per set and complete 4 sets. For exercise 2, hook loop number 8 around your ankle, then choose loop number 4, 5, or 6 to hook around your forefoot depending on the level of resistance you need. Hold the edge of the bench for stability. Inhale, then exhale as you lift your leg forward and pull your toes upward. Push your heel outward with strength and hold for 5 seconds, then point your toes downward for another 5 seconds. Repeat this pattern for 8 to 10 repetitions. For exercise 3, adjust the resistance to medium level. Lean your torso slightly to the opposite side. Slowly open your leg outward without letting your foot touch the ground. You should feel the outer thigh and the outer glute muscles working immediately. Hold the top position briefly, breathing steadily, then return with control. Perform 10 to 16 repetitions for 4 sets. This movement helps strengthen the muscles that control hip stability and balance while walking. For exercise 4, place the band around your ankle again and extend the opposite leg forward. Pull your heel backward with strength. Hold for 5 seconds at the peak, then slowly return without dropping your foot. This move isolates the hamstrings and helps restore power in the back of the leg. Perform 12 to 16 repetitions for 4 sets. Perform 12 to 16 repetitions for 4 sets. Keep the core tight throughout the movement to protect your lower back, and focus on slow control. That's where all the real strength comes from. For exercise 5, place the band around your wrists and lean forward onto a bench or a wall. Tighten your core, then kick your leg backward with a slight outward rotation at the hip. Return slowly and repeat. This movement strengthens the glutes, hamstrings, and also improves hip mobility. Perform 12 to 16 repetitions for each leg, 4 sets total. These exercises should be done every other day. Muscles need time to repair and grow, so one rest day between sessions allows the fibers to rebuild properly. During this recovery time, make sure to eat enough protein, drink plenty of water, and sleep well. Let time and consistency handle the rest. If you follow this routine, your leg strength will improve, your walking stability will return, and your balance will feel much more secure. With patience and consistency, your body will reward you step by step, day by day.